I will compare the new Sony Xperia 1 Mark 6 with Vivo X90s. Sony Xperia 1 Mark 6 comes with 6.5 inches LTP OLED display and success ratio 19:5:9. Vivo X90s 6.78 inches AMOLED display and success ratio 20:9. Sony Xperia 1 Mark 6 run on the Android 14 operating system. Vivo X90s run on the Android 13 operating system. Sony Xperia 1 Mark 6 it comes with 12GB RAM and 512GB 1TB internal storage, Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor and GPU Adreno 750. Vivo X90s it comes with 8GB 12GB RAM and 256GB 512GB internal storage, MediaTek Dimensity 9200 plus processor and GPU G715. Sony Xperia 1 Mark 6 real set triple camera setup 48 MP plus 12 MP plus 12 MP, front camera 12 MP. Vivo X90s real set triple camera setup 50 MP plus 12 MP plus 12 MP, front camera 32 MP. Sony Xperia 1 Mark 6 5000 mAh battery 30W fast charging support. Vivo S90s 4810 mAh battery 120W fast charging support.